If you're a camper or overlander, or maybe you even have these propane cylinders in food storage, and over time you forget how much fuel you have in them or which canister you've used, this could be the item for you. Hi, I'm Rachel and welcome to my Outdoor Adventure Review channel. In this video, we're going to be reviewing the Coleman Fuel Gauge. I found this at Walmart, but you can also get it on Amazon. I have 3 cylinders here, 16 ounces. This also works with 14-ounce propane cylinders. Let me open this up and we'll see how much propane we have in here. We have a set of instructions and the fuel gauge itself. It comes with batteries, which is nice. So we'll pull the tab and then we'll remove this sticker. And we are on and working. It's already set to 16 ounces. I'm guessing if you long press, it turns off. Okay, it turns on with one press of the button. Looks like it's also backlit, this screen. So that's nice. I'm gonna see if I can get it to 14 ounces. After consulting with the instructions, I would not have figured that out, how to switch from 16 ounces to 14 ounces. So shortly after turning this on, you immediately toggle between 14 and 16 ounces. Okay. I would have never, ever, I would have never figured that out. So we're gonna leave it on the 16 ounces. The battery light, it said, will flash when the batteries are low. And you can't switch between the 16 and the 14 ounces until you power this off. So a little bit confusing there. So glad I read the instructions. I've used this propane bottle and I think it's probably a little less than halfway full, and I have not used either of these. So let's see if I'm correct. We are still on 16 ounces. And all you do is slide the end here into the bottle, onto the bottle lid, and hold it. Oh, I was off. I was wrong. Oh, so wrong. So I'm 3/4 full. This is a great item. Already I can tell that it will help me in knowing how many propane bottles I may need to have on hand when I go out camping. I am liking this. Now for this one, should be full. And what I think is it's reminding me of an airport luggage weight checker. We'll call it that. I think it's just checking the weight of it. And that is full. And another full one. So I am 2 for 3. Correct. All right. I really like this device. This could be a really useful tool for you to keep with your camping gear. And I'm really glad to have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one.